Hey friends, I'm back with another sewing tutorial to show you guys how I made this cute maxi dress. So I did purchase this fabric from Walmart. I wanted to try to make one of those lace outfits with the bows because that is trending right now. But I wanted to do it different. I saw people do the bodysuit, but I honestly love maxi dresses. So I thought, let me show you guys how to make an easy maxi dress. So I am not using a pattern today. I'm using a maxi dress from my closet as a pattern. This is a cheat code or an easy way to be able to save time and not use an actual pattern. You can always just use something from your closet, and that is exactly what I did. I folded the sleeves and I cut all my pieces out to be able to make my maxi dress. Now that I have my pieces cut out, I wanted to add the bows, so I made my own bows using my hands. I'm not sure if you guys know how to do this, but it's just like tying a shoe. I literally just did it as if I was tying a shoe, and I did multiple pieces because I wanted multiple pieces on top of my maxi dress so it can give that look of what the girls have been wearing. In order to place the bows on top of the dress, I did use safety pins. You can sew it on, but honestly, I don't like to sew lace because it rips so easily. So just make sure you're being careful if you decide to sew it on. I also used really small safety pins so you won't be able to see it when I do wear the dress. This actually worked very well. So if you are going to use safety pins, make sure they are as tiny as you can go. Now that I've placed all of the bows on top of the dress, I am sewing my two pieces together inside out, of course. I do have a tutorial on dresses, quick, easy ways to make dresses on my YouTube channel. If this is not making sense or if you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comment section. But that is all I am doing. I am not doing anything extra. Now, if you want to hem this dress, you can. I personally don't like hemming lace, and this is how it came out. But seriously, guys, if y'all have any questions, please just let me know. Thanks for watching.